was brutal, man. You did great. The amount of eyes, and people don't even want to sit in it because it's so scary, but that is some pressure right there, man. Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. How you doing, man? Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Chevy Black. Chevy Black for those who don't know.
Alright.
Well, which everybody knows. 6PT Wolfram 18s on 3 MD 12Ks. And we have 3 Wolfram 10, well 6 Wolfram 10s, 4 Wolfram 8s, and 6 Wolfram WST1s.
Okay. Who built this?
Drew Jones designed it.
Okay.
We built it. So, yeah.
You're on team.
Jared Anthem did this.
Okay.
Finest Bogle did this. The iPad Dash. I didn't bring my iPad though. But Jared Anthem also designed the port.
Okay.
So,
Nice.
yeah. Ben Nash, my brother, did all the graphics.
And the name of the build you have, is it Pennywise?
You know.
Alright, I've seen you around.
Jacob, I've watched you for 2 years, bro. I've watched you. And, you know, I love your growth and things.
Yes, sir.
And I was like, you know what? I know I'm doing something if I get Jacob in here. As soon as I sing, I was like, oh, Jacob.
Oh yeah, that's, yes sir. Thank you very much for the demo. Nice to meet you. Thanks for watching, man. Yes, sir. Is there I can see the amps in the back? The amps.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Open the back door.
Okay. Yes, sir. Woo. That was an awesome demo. Thank you, man. Woo. I got it. Love to hear it. Put the window down.
What do you want? You want
Whatever is most musical for you.
everything?
I know. Let's do windows down first. All right.
Let me skip through this song.
All right. Oh man, that was awesome.
I've been waiting.
Oh yeah. Hey, well, that was awesome, man. Woo! That was brutal, man. You did great. The amount of eyes and people don't even want to sit in it because it's so scary, but that is some pressure right there, man. Woo!
Like, Jacob, I've watched you for 2 years, bro. I've watched you. And, you know, I love your growth and things.
Yes, sir.
And I was like, you know what? I know I'm doing something if I get Jacob in here. So I was like, oh, Jacob.
Oh yeah, yes, sir. Thank you very much for the demo. Nice to meet you. Thanks for watching, man. Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Xplicit, DroppinHz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.